Welcome to this video on opening the third eye chakra and its amazing benefits. Are you ready to unlock your hidden psychic abilities and discover a whole new world of intuition and spiritual growth? Let's get started. The third eye chakra, also known as the Ajna chakra, is located in the middle of the forehead, just above the space between the eyebrows. This chakra governs intuition, foresight, and spiritual insight, and when properly balanced, it can help you tap into your inner wisdom and access a deeper level of understanding. To begin, let's focus on the importance of relaxation and meditation in opening your third eye chakra. Set aside time each day to meditate in a quiet, comfortable space. This will help you to clear your mind and open yourself up to the energy of the universe. While meditating, it's essential to visualize the color indigo, which is associated with the third eye chakra. Picture this deep, vibrant hue as a glowing ball of energy in the center of your forehead, and imagine it expanding with each deep breath you take. Breathing plays a crucial role in opening your third eye chakra, so be sure to practice deep, slow breaths as you meditate. As you inhale, imagine positive energy flowing into your body, and as you exhale, envision any negative energy or blockages being released. Affirmations are another powerful tool for opening your third eye chakra. Repeat phrases such as, "I trust my intuition," "I am open to spiritual guidance," and "I see the truth clearly," to help reinforce your intention and strengthen your connection to this energy center. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can also help to balance and activate your third eye chakra. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial, as are antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, such as blueberries, blackberries, and spinach. Aromatherapy is a wonderful way to enhance your meditation practice and further stimulate your third eye chakra. Essential oils such as lavender, clary sage, and frankincense can help to calm your mind and heighten your spiritual awareness. Crystals and gemstones can also be powerful allies in your journey to open your third eye chakra. Amethyst, lapis lazuli, and labradorite are particularly effective, as they resonate with the energy of this chakra and help to promote clarity and intuition. In addition to meditation, practicing yoga can be an effective way to balance and open your third eye chakra. Poses such as child's pose, forward fold, and down dog can help to alleviate tension in the forehead and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. As you work on opening your third eye chakra, it's important to remember that patience is key. Opening this energy center is a gradual process, and it's essential to give yourself the time and space to grow and develop at your own pace. Finally, let's discuss some of the incredible benefits you can experience when your third eye chakra is fully open and balanced. A heightened sense of intuition is one of the most notable gifts of a balanced third eye chakra, allowing you to tap into your inner guidance and make decisions with greater clarity and confidence. An open third eye chakra can also lead to increased creativity, as it allows you to access the subconscious mind and draw inspiration from the universe. This can manifest in many forms, such as painting, writing, or even problem-solving in your daily life. Lastly, a balanced third eye chakra can help you to develop a deeper connection with your spiritual self, allowing you to experience a sense of oneness with the universe and a greater understanding of your life's purpose. In conclusion, opening your third eye chakra is a transformative journey that can lead to incredible spiritual growth and personal development. By incorporating meditation, visualization, affirmations, and other practices into your daily routine, you can unlock the power of your intuition and discover a whole new world of insight and understanding.